to avoid inconvenience of having your bags intercepted during boarding, you may voluntarily present your carry-on bags to be checked in at boarding gate number 4. Please be reminded that our bags in your personal pocket.
For descent, your cabin crew will now collect all items for disposal. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any litter.
Hi guys, pupunta ka ng Japan. Ito ang pinakamadaling paraan para magka-internet agad paglipad mo. Klook eSIM. Papakita ko kung paano mag-order gamit lang ang phone mo. Step 1. Buksan mo ang Klook app. Sa search bar, itype mo lang Japan eSIM. Step 2. Piliin mo yung data plan na gusto mo. Halimbawa, 3 to 5 or unlimited data. Step 3. Step 3. I-check mo yung details tulad ng coverage, data limit at presyo. Pag okay na, pinutin mo na yung book now. Step 4. Piliin mo yung ilang eSIM ang bibilihin mo. Tapos, i-enter mo lang ang email mo. Step 5. Magbayad. Step 5. Gamit ang card, GCash, or ibang payment option. Step 6. Pagkatapos mong bayad, makatanggap ka ng QR sa email mo. Ito ang gagamitin mo para ma-install ang eSIM. Pagdating mo na sa Japan, scan mo lang yung QR code at may internet ka na agad. Follow mo ko for more Japan travel hacks.
Please keep your cards in your personal pocket or place them in the zip pocket upon boarding your aircraft. For everyone's safety, they are not allowed to operate wheels or under the seat. Using cards through the flag is strictly prohibited. They must be turned off and disconnected from all.
Kaya mo pa? Kaya pa? Woo!
Tulutog na.
Woo!
Kita mo naman nga ito, no? Lagi ito
Outfit.
naka-popper.
Family Mart.
Ayan ang aming mga food, guys.
運命だとか未来とかってこと